Take a ride in the 2016 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, moonroof, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.